Alright, we got one here. We need to convert it over to putting a air cube in it, because the ones that were here last time, they wanted to plug in their own router, so we just put a wire and let them run it wherever they wanted to. Now these people, I'm going to put an air cube in it. Yeah, this is what I got in there now. And I didn't have an air cube at the time. If I did, I would put it in there, but now I'm going to have air cube in there and also have an option that they can actually plug into. I'm thinking about doing this to basically every box. That way they can plug in, or they can just do wireless. No more than these little plugs are. So I got enough power. That's 12 watts, and that's enough to to feed an air cube and the CPE. So let's change that out and actually add this so it actually will take care of that and get this wireless. What I got here now, I took the PoE, took all the cords out of it, come out through the PoE, feed the air cube here, and I took the CPE and plugged it into the blue port there, the PoE out, and I took the purple one and plugged it in terminal number 3, which will come feed this down here as the external plug-in. So that would give them internet wirelessly, which the air cube has already been programmed. Now it's just a matter of looking on the Wi-Fi and be sure it all works, activate their account, and they'd be ready to go. Alright, now I'll get over here and do a speed test and be sure they're getting what they're supposed to have. Let's see here. Yeah, that'll work. Supposed to be 4 up. Doing good, doing good. All right. See you in the next one.